First up, we go to the Mecklenburg County Courthouse in Charlotte, North Carolina for a first appearance hearing. 26-year-old Tyler Harding has been charged with 31 offenses, including burglary, larceny, hit and run, assault with a deadly weapon, and fleeing or eluding arrest. 2 days earlier, Harding burglarized a home in Charlotte and stole a Jeep. Police tracked the Jeep's GPS signal to a McDonald's drive-thru, but Harding sped off, eventually ditching the Jeep, stealing a truck, and then picking up his older sister, Krista. Together, they sped across the South Carolina border, but doubled back when deputies there tried to stop them. After blowing a tire, Harding stole another car, his third of the day. That's the owner of the car arriving too late to stop him. At this point, Harding continues on without his sister, who was soon apprehended on scene by local police. Harding careened recklessly down side streets and highways, driving on sidewalks and medians, even going the wrong way down one-way streets. Until he crashed head-on into a car stopped at a traffic light. After pulling the victim, who was 7 months pregnant, out of her car, Harding took off on foot and stole yet another vehicle. But 24 minutes later, as he tried to speed through an intersection, he collided with a pickup truck, finally ending an ordeal that lasted nearly 3 hours. The driver of the pickup was unharmed, and amazingly, police reported no serious injuries from the entire chase, including the pregnant driver, who was taken to the hospital with injuries to her nose and arm, but otherwise she and her baby were okay. Harding was treated for minor injuries and then booked on 13 felony charges, 8 misdemeanors, and 10 traffic violations. His sister, Krista Harding, was charged with possession of a stolen vehicle. Today in court, the prosecution argues for an increase to Tyler Harding's $115,000 bond, since they say he's a clear danger to the community.
He's driving on the wrong side of the road at excessive speeds, weaving in and out of traffic. He's just demonstrated he doesn't care for anybody's safety in this community. He doesn't have a North Carolina driver's license. We have no knowledge that he is a resident of this state.
Harding recently had moved to the Charlotte area, but had an extensive criminal record in Texas. Judge Donald Curtin takes this into account when considering bond.
His history has a lot regarding theft, as well as fleeing or trying to evade arrest. Obviously, the allegations in this case are no different. If anything, they are aggravated. So as a result, I am going to honor the request from the state in terms of raising the amount of the bond.
After hearing the judge's decision, Harding, who's been raising his hand throughout the hearing, seems like he's heard enough.
Bro, this. Hey, I'm letting him back. Nah, I'll let him finish.
Hold on. One thing you're not gonna do is give me permission to do anything. I already have that, so I don't need your permission.
No,
so
I'm
you
not.
can go. No. You can go ahead and leave. You already upset. Go ahead and leave. Go ahead and leave.
It's important for me to hear this.
Well, it didn't seem that important just a few seconds ago when you said F this and you wanted to leave.
Because you're listening to what this gentleman has said to you, and it's not my place to tell you what happened yet because I haven't spoken to my attorney yet. But
All
that's
right,
what
Mr. Harding.
is a crime to lie.
Mr. Harding. Thank you.
Judge Curtin wraps up the hearing by increasing Harding's bond amount to $800,000. Harding has failed to post bond and is being held in Mecklenburg County Jail pending trial. His sister, Krista Harding, posted $25,000 bond and has been released pending trial. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.